In this video, we are going to discuss this question. This question is part B of number 7 of the January 2024 paper 2. It stems from a sequence of shapes. As you can see, it is progressing, and you have shape 1, shape 2, shape 3. The number of black dots are increasing, the number of white dots are increasing in a specific pattern. We have done part A already. So now we're moving on to part B. It says the number of white counters W, so we will call it dots, but let's call it counters now. White counters W, the number of black counters B, and the total number of counters T that form each shape follow a pattern. The values for W, B, and T for the first 3 shapes are shown in the table below. Study the pattern of numbers in each row of the table and answer the questions that follow. So it says complete the rows marked 1, 2, and 3 in the table below. So this video will be on part 1 alone. I'll create another video for part 2 and another one for part 3. So let's focus on part 1. So we have 2 in that row. You've got 2 blank spaces to fill. As you can see, the shape number 1, 2, 3. So this is about the 4th shape. Okay. The number of white counters were given, which is 45. We can cross-check and see if it is 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of white counters is 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. We're missing another row. So there's an error because 4 is not a factor of 45, and another row is missing. So as you can see, mistakenly, I thought it was 4 rows that was there, and I just need to add 1 more row. But the 4th sheet, they only put 3 rows, so I needed to add 2 more rows for the 4th sheet. So the answer in the previous video, there's an error because I needed to add another row to make it 5 rows. 5 9s are 45. Right, so we need to add another row, and here it is. So now the 4th shape have 5 rows. So that's the correct 4th shape. Now, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 5 is 45 white counters. So that's correct. Now the number of black counters, you can see the pattern. The shape number stays the same, shape 1, shape 2, shape 3. Number 1 is constant. So by following the sequence, you can type it here. In the 4th shape, number 4 comes here. 1 is constant. Squared is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 squared is 25. So that should take place for the answer for this blank spot. And the total number of counters will be the number of whites plus the number of blacks. As you can see, 6 plus 4 is 10. 15 plus 9 is 24. 28 plus 16 is 44. So 45 and 25, that should give us, well, 40 and 20, 60 and 10, that should give us 70. So I can just extend this and just space bar, and here we have 70 for the total number of counters. So that should take care of B part 1. Let me color code this in red to show that this is an answer. That's a solution. So please go over this and actually do it. Copying it down, writing it down now and then, see if you can do it on your own, is a form of practicing. That's the initially first stages of practicing. Okay? Must put pen to paper. And you can compare this now to what Terry David has explained in his video.